Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing well. Come on, let us discuss about relation and functions part 3. Based on previous video, whatever we discussed, it is continued here. Set P. Set P has 3 elements 9, 11, 12. Set Q has 5 elements Raj, Ram, Rana, Raghav, Ranjit, and so on. When you find Cartesian product for this, we get 9, Raj, 9, Ram, 9, Rana, 12, Ranjit. Here all ordered pairs are not written. Here only few ordered pairs are there. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ordered pairs are written here. But all are there. It has shown. See here given dot 3 dot line. So how many are there usually? Here 3, here 5. So totally how many ordered pairs we get? 3 into 5, 15. There are 15 ordered pairs are there. So I just put dot 3 dot. Okay. So now number of ordered pairs in P cross Q is equal to number of element in set P into number of element in set Q. So we get 15 ordered pairs. In that R, relation R we are taking. 9, Ram, 11, Raj, 11, Raghav, 11, Ranjit, 12, Rana. So here you see, here few elements, only 5 ordered pairs are taken from this Cartesian product P cross Q. So R is here subset of P cross Q. Do you agree? Yes. So R is subset of P cross Q. So this is the subset symbol. Because the elements whatever, the ordered pair whatever is there in R, they are contained in P cross Q also. So R is subset of P cross Q. But P cross Q have more than whatever ordered pairs are there in R. Okay. So R is subset of P cross Q. When we just started about relation and function, I said A is subset of B, related. So it's here R is subset of P cross Q. So R is a relation from set P to set Q. Set P to set Q. See here P to Q. So P equal to 9, 11, 12. 3 elements are classes where students study. So students 9th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard student. The classes are mentioned here. Here Q is name of the students mentioned here. So Ram studied 9th standard. Raj studied 11th standard. Raghav studied 11th standard. Ranjit studied 11th standard. Rana studied 12th standard. Likewise, one relation is there. Okay. Definition of a relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. So this is the definition. So previously we saw P 9, 11, 12. Q name of the students. The product we get 15. In that we paired, right? In that 9, one boy name, 11, 3 boys names. Likewise, 5 pairs we get. So this is, so R becomes subset. So here subset only. So the Cartesian product subset only will become a relation. You see here, let the same thing here. I am reframing P equal to 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the classes. Here number of students 15, 20, 25. Likewise thing. P equal to 9, 10, 11, 12. Q equal to 15, 20, 25, 30. So set P has 4 elements, set Q has 4 elements. See in an arrow diagram, this is called arrow diagram. So set P written here, set Q written here. Here mapped. So 9, 25, 10, 5, 11, 20 and 12, 20. Here mapped. Here how they mapped? So here relations you see. R equal to 9, 25. So 9th class 25 students are there. 10th class 15 students are there. 11th class 20 students are there. 12th class 20 students are there. Likewise ordered pairs have given. So it relations. But usually if you see P cross Q, how many will get? P has 4 elements, Q has 4 elements. Yeah, you are right. 16 elements you will get. So R will be subset of P cross Q or not? Yes, you are right. So R is the relations between P to Q. Non-empty set P to non-empty set Q. So whatever set you are choosing, it should be non-empty. It should be non-empty. The set of first element of the ordered pairs in a relation is called the domain of the relation. What we say? domain of the relation. Okay, first element in the relation, whatever first element is there, whatever is there, we say domain. Okay, the same way, the set of second elements of the ordered pair in a relation we call range. What we say? Range of the relation. What is that? Second element. It must be second element. Look at now. R equal to 9, 25, 10, 15, 11, 20, 12, 20. There are 4 ordered pairs in R. So domain of R, all first elements 9, 10, 11, 12 are domain of R. Okay. Range of R will be all second elements 25, 15, 20. 20 again repeated. So once you can write enough. Only once. Suppose 4, 5 times repeated also doesn't matter. Only once if you write enough. So range of R is 25, 10, 20. Hope you got it. What is domain of R? What is range of R? Here the relation is set 2 to set B to set Q. Set B to set Q. So P is here 9, 10, 11, 12. Q is here 15, 20, 25, 30. So then here you see 30 is not mapped with anything. So set Q is called here codomain of the relation. What we say? Codomain of the relation. So codomain of R equal to 15, 20, 25, 30. Hope you understand domain, range and codomain. Let us discuss a problem based on whatever we discussed so far. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation R from A to A. So set A to set A only. Here by R is equal to x comma y. Y is equal to x plus 1. So y is defined as x plus 1. So ordered pair will be x comma y. The y will be 1 more than x. That is the definition. So here depict the relation using an arrow diagram. So whatever relation we are getting, ordered pair we are getting, using arrow diagram you have to represent. And next write down the domain, codomain and range of R. So first what is given here? Y equal to x plus 1. So x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you can take. If x is 1 means y will be 2. If x is 2 means y will be 3. Because 1 we have to add. If x is 3 means y will be 4. So still x6 we can take. x6 means y will be 7. Yes, right. But 7 will not be there. A to A. A to A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x elements 1, y element will be 2. X element 2 means y element will be 3. X element 3 means y element will be 4. X4 means y will be 5. X5 means y will be 6. For x6 means y will be 7. But it is not there. So we cannot map. We stop it. Okay. Then this is the arrow diagram to represent. So we represented by definition R equal to x comma y such that y equal to x plus 1. Right. By definition using the arrow diagram we can write like this. R equal to 1 comma 2. Because first pair 1 comma 2. Then 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3, then 3 comma 4, 3 comma 4, then 4 comma 5, 4 comma 5, then 5 comma 6. So there are 5 ordered pairs we get as relation. So from here domain of R will be what? First elements, all first elements you have to. So domain of R equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range of R equal to what? All the second elements. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So range of R equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then codomain of R. Codomain of will be second set all the elements. Second set all the elements. So codomain of R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Hope you liked the video and you understood how to find domain, codomain and range of the given relation. Okay. So relation we have to make based on the given condition and then we can find domain, range and codomain also. Hope you like this video. For more videos you can subscribe this channel. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.